Me and My Snurtch. First, we're going to listen to a read aloud from the book The Snurtch. It is written by Sean Farrell, and the illustrations are by Charles Santoso. If you're watching this video at home and you haven't listened to the read aloud yet, please stop and go to the page where the Snurtch is being read to you. Be sure to look at all the pictures because you're going to want to use some of those wonderful drawing ideas for your assignment today. The first thing you need to do is find the camera on your iPad or cell phone. Look for the camera icon and press it. Then you're going to want to make sure the camera is turned towards you. And then I want you to imagine there's a crazy snurch on top of your head or on your shoulder or climbing up your back, and you've got to look at it because you haven't drawn it yet, but it's going to be there soon. Be sure to make a very surprised or upset expression. Now that you have your photo, you're ready to go to the app called Drawing Pad. It looks like this. When you press it, it may take you to the last student's artwork. So we need to hit the little house and find the sheet of paper with a plus sign. When you tap on that, you'll see the word New. Click New and you will get a new sheet of paper. Sometimes when you go to Drawing Pad, you'll see this screen, so you can just touch the word New from here. The next thing I want you to do is resize your paper so the drawer is not always in the way, blocking the piece of paper. There we go. Now let's find your photo. We've got to touch on the pieces of paper and go to the top where that odd-looking film strip is. Choose All Photos and find the picture that you just took of yourself with the funny expression. Now that's going to be your picture that you're going to draw on. Select a marker and choose a color for your snurch. You're going to draw directly on the picture to create a creature that looks like a little monster on your shoulder or flying above your head. It can be a cute, friendly, scary, silly, or fun creature. Remember some of the snurch drawings that you saw in the book The Snurtch. Try to let your snurch interact with you. Grab onto your hair or hang onto your shoulder or climb up your back. Here he's going to be wrapping his little leg around my pointing finger. And I changed the color of his body. I didn't like the pink. I didn't think it showed up very well. If you ever make a mistake and you want to undo something, just go down to the house and look for the backward arrow, and that will take away your last move. You can hit that several times to go back in time and undo your mistakes. You can also zoom in so that you can see what you're doing. Like that. Pinch it and spread it out to make it bigger or smaller, and you can draw in those tiny areas. Now I'm going to type my name. Click on the house and go to this stencil stick that's got some letters on it. A keypad will pop up and you can type in your name. The color is going to be the same as that dot above it. If you want to change the color, touch the dot and pick a new color for your letters. When you're happy with your choice, you're going to click on the green arrow and then move your name to where you would like and make it the size you want, and then stamp it down. When you're all finished, it's time to save your work. To do this, you're going to look for the arrow and click on the words Save Image. And now your image is saved in your iPad. Let's see one more snurch. Here's one on a little girl.